Hi guys, it's CJ from Yugatech, and out of all of the TV options out there, Samsung is surely among the top ranks. One of their recent TV offerings is that. That behind me is the new 65-inch Crystal UHD 4K Smart TV, and it has big upgrades to be the ultimate family entertainment this year. There are also exclusive deals on its Crystal UHD lineup. Anywho, let's get right into our hands-on review. First things first. What's in the box? Well, we got the TV itself along with the two leg stands, which are actually adjustable. It doesn't come with a wall bracket, but it can be mounted on the wall if you'd prefer, provided you have your own bracket. And of course, there's the remote rocking a minimalist design. Setting it up is easy as well. The leg stands can simply lock in place without the need of a screwdriver. Now, let's talk about the most important bit. That large display. As the name suggests, the TV has a 65-inch LED panel with up to 4K resolution and 60Hz refresh rate. It's pretty decent. You have HDR, HDR10+, UHD dimming, and motion accelerator support. With its Samsung Pure Color, it has access to a range of colors which, in turn, produces almost true-to-life hues. This adds more depth and dimension to your movies and shows. Additionally, thanks to its 4K upscaling, you can get up to 4K resolution of picture quality, making you watch the content with not just great colors, but also see the details too. Its thin bezels or boundless design, as Samsung calls it, makes it feel immersive for you to experience what you're watching or playing on the TV. It's also quite loud on its own. Thanks to its Object Tracking Sound Light, or OTS Light, its two-channel speakers are able to create sounds that have great quality. You can be sure that you'll understand what you're listening to without any worry. Although it is a bit lacking in the bass department for my taste, since there are more mids and not too many lows, whereas I prefer to have a good oomph in my music. That being said, it's still an audible treat, especially when watching movies and playing games nonetheless. Powering this TV is Samsung's Tizen OS, and in terms of user experience, it's fairly easy to navigate around. As you boot up the TV, you're greeted with this user-friendly home screen that's quite similar to a Google TV OS. The TV is mostly responsive to the remote input controls, although if you're switching from different apps, it takes a while to load. Setting it up wasn't that much of a hassle, especially if you already have a Samsung account through your Samsung smartphone. But for us, it only took a few clicks to sign in using a Google account. It comes with your usual wireless connectivity options such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. We were also able to cast our smartphone display on the TV with ease. You can use your smartphone as a remote thanks to Samsung's proprietary SmartThings. Furthermore, what we also liked about the Tizen OS is its built-in Samsung Internet browser. It's something you don't see often in other smart TVs. This gives it more functionality, and users can get even more content from the web beyond the usual apps. You can also get endless content with the all-new Samsung TV Plus. The Samsung 65-inch Crystal UHD 4K Smart TV has an SRP of 53,999 pesos. But right now, it has a massive discounted price at 38,999 pesos, which is not bad considering you get a TV of this caliber. All in all, if you're looking for a big TV at an affordable price point and a Samsung one at that, this may be the perfect upgrade for you. Customers who purchase the 65-inch Crystal UHD Smart 4K TV until March 31 will get a Disney Plus annual premium plan worth 4,190 pesos, as well as Globe G Fiber plan, which comes with installation, modem, and 1-week unlimited fiber internet worth 1,499 pesos and up to 100,000 pesos off on select models. Get up to 10,000 peso credits when you trade up your old TV via Samsung.com. Only purchases made from Samsung authorized dealers, Samsung.com, and official Shopee and Lazada stores are eligible for this promotion. But hey, what do you guys think of the Samsung DU7000? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content. Also, don't forget to follow us on our socials at Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, or visit yugatech.com to keep up with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! See you later!